Hi guys, today I'll be unboxing the Tineco A11 Master. This model is Tineco's mid-price option that's in between the A10 and the Pure One S12. You'll notice that the box I got is brown, which doesn't look good, but I think that the final production packaging is white with the colored graphics, similar to the Pure One S12 I tested a few weeks back. So right now, let's open the box and see what's inside. First thing I got out of the box is the user manual and quick start guide. Inside the plastic is the cleaning tool for the brush roll and vacuum. It also has two bolts that I presume is for the charging dock. Underneath the manual is a white storage bag that contains the A11 vacuum unit. You can also use this bag for storing other attachments that you'll see later on. One design element I noticed is the transparent body casing, so you can see what's inside. Next part we'll look at is the extension tube that gives this vacuum the ability to toggle between handheld and stick vacuum mode. So now let's open the next box and see what's inside it. This next tool you'll get is the pre-filter cleaning tool that I believe is the first of its kind. Its primary function is to clean the pre-motor filter of the vacuum without you having to remove it. The next tool I have here is the multi-folding adapter that can bend at different angles and is usable with non-powered tools. Inside this box is the charger for the vacuum that looks exactly like the Pure One S12's charger. The next tool we'll look at is the soft dusting brush. This attachment has softer bristles, so you can use this on curtains or lampshades that are more delicate. Next attachment is the mini power brush. This tool is a miniature version of the main brush that has its own motorized brush. It works great on fabric upholstery and carpet stairs. Now let's look at the two main floor tools of the A11, starting with the soft roller power brush. This attachment is similar to the Dyson V8 soft roller brush, but it has LED headlights. The direct drive power brush is the A11's version of the standard brush roll tool that works best on carpet. So I'll do a test with this tool how it does on hard floors and carpet in another video. But what I like about this tool is the LED headlights and the seal around both sides and the back of the brush that helps with debris pickup. This device is the dual charging dock that provides storage for the vacuum in a vertical position since the A11 will not stand on its own. It's also got an extra slot for charging a second battery. So this dock can charge two batteries simultaneously. This tiny contraption will slide on the charging dock and provides extra storage slots for two more attachments. Next tool out of the box is the flexible hose that is great for cleaning tight spaces. The A11 also comes with an extra Li-ion battery that essentially doubles the runtime up to 60 minutes according to Tineco. Both batteries have a quick release latch that makes it easy to remove from the vacuum. It also comes with a crevice tool for cleaning small spaces. Last but not least, it comes with a 2-in-1 combination tool that has a brush and upholstery attachment. Now I'll share some of the features of the Tineco A11. First, it has the same trigger switch as the Dyson V8. So when you squeeze it, it powers on. So you'll notice that there is a slight delay. But one feature that the A11 has over the V8 would be this trigger lock. So when you push this back, pull this back, the trigger stays on without you having to press it. So this frees up your finger from having to squeeze this contraption here. So you want to turn it off, just push it forward and it turns off. Next we'll look at the filters. The A11 has two of them. So the first one is here at the bottom. This filter is washable. And a second filter is located at the back right here. So I believe this is a HEPA filter that prevents fine dust from coming back out of the exhaust. To empty this bin, you'll have to push this lever here to open the door at the bottom. So this goes down. It doesn't have the hygienic system of the V8. So if anything gets stuck in here, you'll have to manually pull it out with your fingers, or disassemble the bin by pushing this release button like so. The whole bin comes out. Let's see how it looks like. So you can fully disassemble this if you need to thoroughly clean it. At the middle is a metal filter. So the washable filter is located here at the middle. So the beauty of this design is that you can remove the filter even without opening this. You just pull this out. Now let's put this back in. This vacuum has two power settings. When you squeeze the trigger, the default power setting comes on. If you want more power, just press this max switch on top and it instantly goes into its most powerful setting. So what I like is the responsiveness. You don't need to squeeze it hard, just a little tap and it comes on. One of the biggest issues with the A10 would be the lack of a quick release latch in some of their tools. This isn't the case with the A11. As you can see, I have some of the non-power tools right now. So this combination tool has a quick release latch. So when you attach it on the vacuum, it just snaps in place. And when you want to remove it, just press this button and pull it out. It comes off easy. And the same goes with this crevice tool and the flexible hose. You can also attach non-powered tools at the other end of this hose. So if you want to clean your vehicle, it makes it easy. If you have the A10 vacuum, you don't really need to buy the A11 because the tools of the A11 will fit on the A10. Let me just show you. This is the combination tool of the A11 and it will fit without any issues on the A10. The same goes with this flexible hose. Please check the links below where you can buy the tools for the A11 that will fit the A10, just in case you have it, so you don't need to buy this extra vacuum. So the next thing I'll demo is this wall mountable charger. I have it plugged in right now. As you can see, it's charging this spare battery. So to plug it in, you can see the connector inside. You just push this right in like so and it will charge the second vacuum. The beauty of this tool is that you can charge the spare battery and the battery on the vacuum simultaneously. Underneath here are two pins that connect here. So when you plug this in, the battery on the vacuum charges as well as the spare battery. It also has slots to store 3 extra attachments. I have one here, or let me just try to plug this one in. You can store this brush tool, this crevice tool, and this combination tool. So you'll have to mount this on a wall using 2 screws that you'll bolt over here and here. Lastly, let's look at the main cleaning heads of the A11. Nothing much has changed between the A10 and A11. Both these variants use the same type of brush roll. There may be differences with the color scheme, but that's about it. So I'll just quickly show you how it looks like underneath. Both of these have the seal around the main brushes, around the main brush. So you can actually remove the brush roll if you need to clean this part thoroughly. All you need to do is use a coin and twist this lock like so. Pull it out, then pull the brush out like so. The same can be done with the soft roller head, which in my opinion is an improvement over the V8's soft roller attachment that isn't removable. So same process. So just in case anything gets wedged here, you can easily clean it out. So this concludes the unboxing of the Tineco A11. If you have any questions, please send them below in the comment section. If you want more information about this vacuum, I'll post links where you can buy it, where you can buy the accessories if you have the A10. And I'll also post the review as soon as I finish all of the tests. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and hit that bell icon beside it to get notified when I publish new reviews. And I'll see you in the next video.